Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Nokia G21 smartphone, and let me show how you can set the Opera as your default browser. First of all, we'll go ahead and open up the settings. At the settings, look for the apps category. At the apps and notifications menu, go for the advanced features, default apps. Here, choose browser app, and basically all that it's left to do is to select Opera, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully set the Opera as our default browser. So there's also the second way to do it directly from the Opera application itself, so let's go ahead and open it. At the Opera browser, on the bottom right corner you gotta tap on this avatar profile picture. Here tap on this gear icon in order for the settings menu to appear, and then scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser section, tap on it, click on next, select Opera, set as default. And that will also mean that we have successfully set the Opera as our default browser on this device. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!